I have footprints all over this floor.
I can tell you today was one of those special days in my career because I had the opportunity to meet such wonderful people from the class of 1964, Carver High School. We toured this facility, we saw the excitement, we heard some singing and some cheers. It was just a wonderful day and I was so honored. I am so honored to be a part of it.
I just say, those old memories sometimes make us sad.
I had the thought that we could come back to the campus one more time to see what was going on, and hopefully to solicit their support in making sure that historic Carver High School remains in whatever capacity we can have it.
So an additional $20 million, which will renovate Building 1, the original historic building. But this is a special place because we're taking adults and we're educating them into fields where they can become entrepreneurs and they can really make a great living.
We are the Eagles.
You could feel the passion from the class of 64 and 66, and here at the Delray Full Service Center, they plan to continue educating the next generation. I'm Gabriel Suarez for the Education Network.